$2,000 per month, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 in one fucking month. These were the results normal people shared in a mysterious Discord server. They claim to achieve this kind of success in 1 month, and that's through TikTok's new creativity program. But this was done without them making their own content. They repurposed other people's content. Remember this for later, because this one word can make you thousands of dollars, and I'm not joking. For the record, barely anyone is talking about this new TikTok money printing machine over YouTube. It seems like a side hustle that people actually don't want others to know about. But in this video, I'm gonna break it down to its core. This video is your backstage pass to the secrets and techniques I've uncovered over the last 30 days of doing TikTok and uploading over 100 videos. It literally contains everything I've learned over the past 30 days of trying to make money through TikTok's new money-making program. After watching this video, you will know if the screenshots are actually legit. Spoiler alert, they are. You will know how much money I made after getting 7.9 million views in the span of 30 days. You will get a blueprint on how to get started and replicate the results. And most importantly, you will exactly know the mistakes that I made, which you should definitely avoid if you want to achieve success faster. So sit tight and focus, because this video will put you ahead of the competition by exactly 1 month. Step 1. Understand why. You need this to understand why TikTok is paying so much money so you can optimize for the best result. Importance level, high. 30 days ago, I was randomly scrolling through Instagram and saw a video of this dude saying you can make a ton of money by downloading podcast videos and putting GTA V gameplay at the bottom of them and uploading them to TikTok. And I had the same feeling that you have right now. This must be a scam. But not gonna lie, he made me curious. So I joined his free Discord server to find out more. After all, what do I have to lose? It's free, right? Not exactly. After joining the server, I found multiple people claiming to have made thousands of dollars by uploading stupidly simple videos on TikTok. The server had a premium program that almost everyone who was getting millions of views was a part of. So I paid $40 and joined the premium club in the pursuit of knowledge and becoming rich. The premium Discord member videos were actually pulling millions of views. The view count was legit, but when did getting millions of views on TikTok equal making a ton of money? TikTok pays pennies on the dollar for views, right? That's where I was wrong. You see, what I wasn't aware of was that TikTok had officially launched a new lucrative program called the Creativity Program Beta. And this is to compete with YouTube, as only videos that are over 1 minute are eligible to make money off of this new program. And this is TikTok's strategy to tap into the long-form content market after conquering the short-form one. With this program, people can make $1 per 1,000 views, which means you can make $1,000 with only 1 million views. But remember, you're not making your own content. You're making repurposed content. Remember this word? But what does it exactly mean? Let's drive this home with an example. Let's say you find an awesome moment in a MrBeast video. You clip it, put GTA V gameplay underneath it, and voila! You just made a video ready to get 1 million views. Because you're leveraging MrBeast's fame, who already has millions of fans. And when people get bored of the MrBeast part of the video, they switch to looking at the gameplay footage at the bottom. And because of that, they won't click off, which means you get a high retention out of most of your videos. And because of this, getting 1 million views is insanely easier. How do I know? Because I got 7.9 million fucking views in 1 month on my brand new TikTok account. And all I did was finding stand-up comedy clips, putting GTA V videos at the bottom of them, and uploading them to TikTok. So yeah, it works. But what are the entry requirements? In order for you to apply for the creativity program, you need to meet 3 requirements. Be over 18, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and at least 100,000 views. And I'm gonna show you how you can crush these requirements with ease in a bit. But for my new account, since I had almost 8 million views already, views and followers were not an issue. I applied for the program and waited. I was so stressed about TikTok not monetizing my account because of the repurposed content that I was uploading. But they did. I got into the creativity program and I was ready to make money, right? Yes and no. Since I made a huge mistake in the process because I didn't know what I'm about to tell you. Step 2. Avoid these mistakes. Importance level too fucking high. You see, all of my old videos, meaning the videos that got me 8 million views, didn't make me a penny because turns out the videos that you upload before getting into the program are not eligible to make money out of. They're just there to help you get accepted. And only the videos that you upload after getting into the program can make you money. And not gonna lie, that hurt so much because I had already spent the money I would make from the 8 million views in my head. But I said to myself, hey, I've done it once, I can do it again. So I started posting videos. However, as you know, making repurposed content can get you a lot of views and it's super easy to make. And TikTok realized that people are taking advantage of this. So they slowly started to demonetize videos that were not original enough. This doesn't mean that you need to make your own content, but it means that you gotta edit the repurposed ones a little bit more, so it appears to be original. And because I didn't over-edit my videos, most of them were getting disqualified, meaning I would not make money from them. So I researched and came up with a strategy to fight the unoriginality curse. This is important because you might face the same problem in your journey. So listen carefully. Step 3. Appear original. Importance level. If you don't want to get disqualified, listen up. You need to add zoom in, zoom out, transitions, subtitles, and filters to your video to make them appear over-edited and original. And if TikTok disqualified your video for not being original, you can appeal it and ask ChatGPT to write an appeal message, and they will most likely restore your video back into the program and monetize it again. This might make your editing time longer, but you can still gain a lot of views and make a lot of money, so it's worth it. However, while going through all of this, I also discovered high potential niches that were perfect for overcoming the originality problem without over-editing. And these niches were way better than my stand-up comedy clips idea. I'll get to those lucrative niches in a bit, but long story short, I actually made a few over-edited videos and uploaded them to TikTok. And I got 22,000 views and made $18, which was insane. Because if I get another 8 million views just like I did before, I would make about $6,400 because my RPM, aka how much you make for each 1,000 views, is 80 cents. I was super hyped about the potential of the account that I literally created a few weeks ago, and I was thinking about all the money I'm gonna make. But at the same time, I wanted to change my niche so badly. Even though the account had a really good RPM, finding comedy skits that would go viral and over-editing them was pretty time consuming. And I had already found a better niche that I wanted to get into. While having these thoughts, a premium member of the mysterious Discord server that I joined in the beginning, who had seen the analytics of the account that I shared in the server, DM'd me and asked if I wanted to sell my account. So I sold my account for $750. You will know why I made this decision in a bit when you realize the potential of the new niches that I discovered. But yeah, the account I made a few weeks ago for free was sold for $750. It was not bad, but now allow me to explain the reason behind it and give you the lucrative niches as well. Step 4. Leverage easy and high potential niches. Importance level. Just fucking listen. The following are the lucrative niches that I found that I'm currently working on. Would you rather
save your mother from drowning or get an exclusive Fortnite skin?
Put a finger down?
Are you physical strong? If you put 5 fingers down.
Quiz video.
What part of the human body has the thinnest skin?
These videos have a lot of potential to print money because of 3 awesome elements the creators of these videos use, and because you watched till this part of the video, I'm gonna tell you all 3 for free. That rhymed. Now, let's actually break it down. First element, originality. These videos are original from the get-go because the script is something that you came up with. Using ChatGPT, of course, which will take 2 minutes to generate, but it's still original, so it's less likely to get disqualified. And they will save you tens of hours of editing because you don't have to over-edit anymore. But this is not the most important element. Second element, sharing technique. The creators of these videos are using a tricky method to boost their videos and make them go viral. Watch carefully.
Kiss Kim Jong-un, or kiss the first person you see when you click share and then more.
Did you see it? When the user clicks on share and more, TikTok's algorithm thinks people are sharing the video because it's about a popular topic. So the algorithm pushes the video to new viewers who will also click on share and more. So the video gets pushed even more. And this can make the video get millions of views with ease. Third element, CTA. These videos all have humorous CTAs or call to action. For example,
fight Prime Mike Tyson, or fight the first person you see when you follow me.
And it fits the genre so well. And when people follow at the end, it sends a positive signal to the algorithm to push the video further. Because what the algorithm sees is that most people who watch till the end of the video follow the account. So it must be a good video. And that's why these videos go viral like wildfire. But with the stand-up comedy videos that I was making, I couldn't make the comedians in the video say what I want them to say. But now, I'm currently making easy original content in one of the niches I just told you about. And I have the experience I gained from my first page to grow the new account even faster. Let me know if you want me to make a video about the updates of the new account. And if this video gave you any value at all, I would like to ask you to subscribe. Keep hustling.